All right, we got invited to see an airplane. Un bitte Papa. Piper PA-28. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my. This is heaven.
We just tell you what to do. You can step on the flag on the way.
There.
Don't get hold on.
Alrighty. What's your name, sir?
Willie.
Willie. My name's Richard. This is Tiger.
Tiger. Wow. All right. And you rocket?
Miles.
And Miles.
Oh, Miles. I thought you were rocket.
Oh, that's a shame. It's a perfect day to fly.
Absolutely.
I've never been in a plane for a month.
Okay, so you can come on up, hold on to this, and go sit in the seat. Let me get down first.
Are we gonna be in there
Okay.
for long?
Be careful to step on this. Make sure you hold on to something. Can you get up there? Here, let me help you.
What is it? Piper PA-28?
Yeah, right.
I love a Piper.
You have? You fly too?
I'm certified on a 150 and 172.
I used to fly those too.
But I was dying to fly one of these, but my eyes won't pass medical right now, sir.
That whole pile of things coming out from the engine, and still the bottom is full of it.
That's a lot. Oh, man, that's...
So you might start as an engine so it get fired.
Are we gonna be in here for long?
Not too long. I can't fly the plane today. Otherwise, I'll take you up.
Well,
You can see the birds right here.
It's exciting for
Look at your
kids
prop.
to-
It is. Before I flew, I haven't been able to. I wasn't. The last time I flew was 2001.
Okay.
So he was born way after that, 2012. So I've never flown
Yeah,
anywhere.
I've been here for a long time. I got my license back in the 70s.